This is a video you've all been asking for and you all don't want to miss it. Take cinnamon sticks, place it in warm water for 10 minutes. I always do 2, but you can do more if you want to. Then in a spray bottle, add 2 ounces of 100% lemon juice. Then add 2 ounces of Dawn dish soap to the spray bottle with the lemon juice. Then add 3 ounces of white vinegar to the spray bottle with the Dawn and lemon juice. Then add 1 ounce of 91% or better rubbing alcohol to the spray bottle. Now take the water that you've been letting the cinnamon stick soak in and add it to the spray bottle. Only add 12 ounces of the water that the cinnamon sticks have been soaking in to the spray bottle. Then shake the ingredients together, and now it's ready to use. This mixture will clean any surface, prevent mold and bacteria from growing, and it will get rid of any bug from any area, and it kills on contact. It will repel any bug for up to 6 months. You just take the spray and spray it in any area that you don't want the bugs or any area you want to clean, and there you go. Enjoy, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.